I-Maric, you know, the man of peace. Me nah stop try, me nah stop try. Me no care how long the journey take, how much setback me get. Me nah stop try, why should I? Yeah man, one day I must get the help, my man, and the real dead.
And I'm gonna tell you something perfect. But if you never progress, then I'm gonna hate you. I'm gonna reach a one place in my life now.
Yeah man, a pleasant good morning, man. We wake up this morning with a message, you know, the sun has shine. We say, believe in our yourself. So I say, never give up on your dreams and aspiration. Just keep trying, never stop trying.
Me no give a fuck who won't give up on me.
I'm for real though. Help me. Help me. I'm hot.
Welcome to Naah Stop TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. Big up on yourself. Welcome to Naah Stop TV, another man of peace. I will set the violence off the streets. I love my unity and strength. You see me? Yeah, man, don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. You know what I mean? You know the way I say keep the thing active. Yes, man, I see it. More than proactive. You know, yeah, man, big up everybody on the platform. Once a big up Iyara, Zine EP, Shot Brother, Rope EP, and also, you know, big up the Empress, she named Ari B. Yeah, me see her Instagram, her page. She's an artist, aspiring. She's also a mail. She work in the mail department, delivering mail and everything, you know. And you know, like she try her best. She try for boss musically like myself, yeah. You see me? But I don't know when I want to do 9 to 5, you know, music I want to do. So I feel her pain, so I highlight her talent. You know what I mean? Someone to go check her out also. You see it? Yes, man. So we're going to kick off the vlog straight. Zine, not chatting, nothing. Iyara have a song named Try Me. People will go check out the EP from Iyara. Zine, the song named Try Me. I'm like, Try Me, I'm like Braveheart with him and Turbulence. The song bad. You don't know. Every song from the EP bad. You see me? But Try Me, I love Try Me because it relates to my song Naah Stop Try. I'm going to big up CD banging to you know. Big up myself CD banging. I love the support we are giving my brother and the respect. I highly appreciate loved. And we don't know one day I return back the favor. You see it? Gratitude is a must my viewers and subscribers. So watch what I go on.
And I'm gonna tell you something perfect. But if you never progress, then I'm gonna hate you. I'm gonna reach a one place in my life now.
Yeah, man, a pleasant good morning, man. We wake up this morning with a message, you know, the sun has shine. So believe in our yourself. So I say, never give up on your dreams and aspiration. Just keep trying, never stop
Me
trying.
no give a fuck who won't give up on me. From you no give up on yourself, nothing can stop you. Them used to say me.
You're alright now, I can't tell you what say. If you not give up on yourself, bro, nothing can stop you. No care who say then give up on you. No care who not believe in you, bro. It's if you believe in you.
Yes, my people want to go check out that song again. Naah Stop Try. It's very inspiring. It's normal. Saying big up CD banging.
Nothing can stop you. Just believe. You hear me talk?
How much I wanna can relate to this? How much I wanna know hungry feel? How much I wanna help people in a life and them style you, but you still there and keep it real.
Yes, I can relate. That is why I like this. You see me know how hungry feel. Remember me say who feels it knows. Enough time I go to bed hungry. You know, really story saying enough people will help boy and them not show them gratitude. Them this with them style we take what them can get and cut. You see me? Yeah, man.
And I'm gonna tell you something perfect. But if you never progress, I'm gonna hate you. I'm gonna reach a one place in my life now.
Yes, Iyara, a real bumbo clatter.
No give a fuck who won't give up on me. From you no give up on yourself, nothing can stop you. Them used to say me now gonna reach nowhere, but look at me now. Jah hand from me prayer, take the curse off of me, brush off every dirt off of me.
Every man has space. Every woman has a chance in life. Just believe.
Yes, man, reach a point in my life right now where I say, yo, I start make people to support my music, you know, friends and family, you know, who want to do it. You see me, who believe and I support the thing. do it in the real lot. That's why I'm have to big up CD banging a million times. You see me? Yeah, man, big up CD banging, brother. Iyara song name Try Me. People gonna listen it, and the EP Road Boss. You see in the EP name Road Boss and the song name Road Boss Bad. The man have a song name, you know, the big hit song Ubadu Badu. You see me, big vibe. You see me I say? And the man have Try Me, the man have Brave Heart with him and Turbulence, him have one name Shake It. Yo, I say the EP Bad People, you go check it out. I listen to the songs them, stream them, you see me? And me I get this a highlight and Try Me because I like it. Iyara, big up yourself, brother. Just keep believing and keep doing the same way, you know. And everybody out there who are listening to this right now, believe in yourself. Every young aspiring artist, believe in yourself. You see me? Nobody tell you say you can't do it. You see me? I say believe in it. Iyara say, once you believe in you and don't give up on yourself, you have to make it one day. I mean, 199. As long as you want to continue music or anything at all, it don't have to be music. It can be sports, you know what I mean? Anything at all. You see me? Just believe and keep trying. Once there's life, there is hope.
No give a fuck who and give up on me. From you not give up on yourself, nothing can stop you.
Yes, man, that is it. Believe. Now this Empress her name Ari B. Based in the US, she's a mail delivery worker. Yeah, she works in the mail system in the post office, you know? You deliver mail, and she's also an artist, a person who a dreamer, like myself, the bus driver. Zane, so what you are going?
I'm a mail lady, and this hurt my back. All these packages in my bag, holes in my shoes.
Yo, she bad though. You she said this job is end for no week. You know, the bag of mail on her back hurt her back, you know. Holes in her shoe and all of them things because she work and deliver mail. Yo, me I tell you, you have a mail lady on my road there. I don't know how she do it, but she strong. Yes, man, an Italian lady. Yeah, man, she bad. Oh, the vocal sound, she bad though.
One day, I'm gonna say I'm leaving this place. One day, I'm gonna say I'm leaving this place. Won't be no mail lady Monday. Don't plan on retiring. Cause one day, I'm gonna sing my way out of this place. That's why I need y'all to hit like and share too. But I'm for real though. Help me. Help me. I'm hot.
Yes, man, the Empress, she's crying now, she's asking for help. You should say help her, make her song go viral, you know. She just wanna be out there doing her music, singing, doing what she loves, not meal. But you know she have to do a meal job because bills have to pay food have to eat and worship Shabbat one child, you know what I mean? She have to put in the work musically 9 to 5 until the music bust her, you know. But she's asking for help. Like and share the content. Like myself, I ask for help, you know, like and share the content, the song them people. Don't just sit and watch friends and family. Cause you see me, when the boss I only see when they run in and come ask for help and I stretch out on the hand. You see me I say? Yeah, but Ari B, her name is Ari B. She's a male. She's a postal mail lady. I'm seeing she's asking for help. Share her song, like her song. Seeing check out her page. See her page there. Yeah, man, a lion foot, man of peace. I saw what deal with it over here saying, clean out above all things. You see me? Yeah, man, she said one day she'll go leave, you know, she'll get fed up and left the work. And that me a pray too. You see? Don't forget to like and share, subscribe and click the bell. Blessed love.